In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink an app from GCash. If you've ever connected an app subscription to your GCash and want to stop future charges, the simplest way is to cancel that subscription through the Google Play Store. This doesn't delete your account in the app, but it does stop the app from billing you via GCash going forward. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in with the Google account that you used when you first set up the subscription. Using a different account will hide your active subscriptions, so double-check that first. Next, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the Play Store. This opens your account menu. From here, choose Payments and Subscriptions. This is where Google groups everything related to billing, including your active and past subscriptions. Now, tap Subscriptions. You'll see a list of apps that currently bill you through Google Play, which can include those linked to GCash. Find the app you want to unlink. If you have several, take a moment to open each one so you're sure you're cancelling the correct plan and billing cycle. Open the app's subscription page and tap Cancel Subscription. Google may ask for a reason. Select any option and continue. Read the confirmation screen carefully. It will usually tell you whether access ends immediately or at the end of the current billing period. Confirm the cancellation to finalize it. Once you do this, the app will no longer charge your GCash when the next renewal date arrives. If you have more than one app linked to GCash, GCash, repeat the same process for each subscription until they're all cancelled. You can also review the next payment date shown on each subscription to verify that billing will stop. A few quick tips if you don't see what you expect. First, make sure you're signed in to the right Google account. Second, remember that one-time purchases won't show under subscriptions because they don't renew. Third, if the subscription was created directly inside the app but not through Google Play, it may not appear here, and you'd need to manage it from the app's own account settings or help center. After cancelling, you should receive an email confirmation from Google Play. Keep it for your records. That's it. Your selected app is now unlinked from GCash for future renewals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control of your subscriptions quickly and confidently.